Hey everybody, if you want the best of both worlds with gas and electric, guess what? We have this new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Hybrid. Oh yeah, the 4xe, 2-liter gas engine for 23 miles per gallon, and it's also electric for 56 miles per gallon electric. It's in Zenith Silver. It's got the ride height up a little bit. That's right, ride height adjustable. Premium wheels here. This is where you charge her up at right there. Also inside, we have the Tupelo colored Napa leather throughout with black accents, ride height adjustable, 4-wheel drive, Uconnect, 360-degree camera, navigation, full digital driver information station, and those front seats, guess what? They massage. Oh yeah. Speaking of comfort, in the back, more of that wonderful stitching of the Tupelo colored Napa leather. And don't forget those front seats, they massage. That's right. Get a massage while going down the road. We popped the lift gate, and here we are. We've got our big, huge mat in the back, still wrapped in plastic, 12-volt power, and also this is the subwoofer for that ultra awesome Macintosh premium stereo. So come on by Ed Payne Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram for this new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe Summit Series. Oh yeah, I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Look at or get us regardless.